Hey guys, so this is the Doogee V20 Pro. The device is expected to be released in May, and according to its leaked specs, the device would be slightly better than the V20. The device will be powered by the Dimensity 700, the same processor running on the V20. So the performance of the Pro version on the V20 would be very similar, except for the fact that the V20 Pro, this device, would have 12 GB RAM. And we know that the RAM of the V20 is 8 GB. So yes, this device would have a bigger RAM than the V20, while the internal storage of both devices would remain the same. And also, it supports virtual RAM expansion. The display of this device would also be the same as that of the V20, a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus display. Oh, it has started raining here again. Full HD Plus display. The panel would be AMOLED perhaps, because the V20 has an AMOLED panel. I expect this device to have an AMOLED panel as well. And as opposed to the V20 with a 60 Hz refresh rate, this phone's display refresh rate would be 120 Hz, a lot better than the V20. So the battery capacity might also be the same, 6000 mAh, and I think the device would also have the same charging speed, 33 watts, or perhaps it might have a much more faster charging speed like 65 or 67 watts. I'm just, speculating, guys. I don't really know the full details. And this device would also have a thermal camera. The V20 doesn't have a thermal camera, but instead has a night vision camera. You know what? I'm just going to stop speculating, guys. The device will be coming in May, and once Doogee unveil the device officially, then I think we might know the correct and complete specs and features of the Doogee V20 Pro. But I'd like to hear your thoughts about this upcoming phone. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. It's raining heavily, guys. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. The rain.